As most of you are aware, chip breaker operations has been added to the end mill tool type. So square end mill, ball nose, and corner radius, and other tool types, they all have the chip breaker operation. Chip breaker can be an N-phase chip breaker, as we have shown here, or chip breaker can be on the OD, as we have shown here. So each flutes can be individually set in the tool editor to have different spacings, so that you can actually space on different based on the different X positions, and the wheel also can be pivoted and done accordingly for each of these floats. Now, another new enhancement to this is the addition of form wheel support for this chip breaker operation. So previously, the form wheel support was not available for the chip breaker operation, and only 1v1 wheels and 1f1 wheels and similar wheels were supported. But now you can have any type of form wheel and form the chip breaker operation.